Tonight, news of a cold wind coming that promises to have a chilling effect on the American pocketbook.
It's really a disaster. I mean, it's a burden.
Bills could increase by 22%, costing an additional $319 for the winter.
In other news, the government predicted today that temperatures this winter will generally be above average. Even so, it will cost you more to heat your home. The Energy Department says heating oil customers will pay an average of 22% more this winter than last. That's about $319 more.
Speaking of the environment, tonight a new winter forecast from government scientists warns of a double whammy for some areas of this nation already struggling with epic drought. The first forecast is for warmer than normal temperatures across much of the South. And the second calls for a higher than normal chance of drier than normal conditions in the hard-hit Southeast.